Hello guys! Today, we're going to use simple slime to make bubbles because we don't have Fufu Squishy but wants to make bubbles. So let's see if this trick works with simple slime or not. For this, we'll use a syringe. And now we'll try to see if we can make bubbles in simple slime. First of all, we need to remove the syringe cap. Now let's try. This video is for those who can't buy Fufu Squishy, but still want to make bubbles. They can try this trick. Now we will slowly insert air into it using a syringe. As you can see, it's forming bubbles too. Now, let's make one more try. Oh gosh, this is so satisfying. I'm really enjoying this. Friends, you should definitely try it too as it's really worked. I hope you'll enjoy it as well. Now, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and update. Thanks for watching, bye bye.